Motivation feels powerful, but when it comes to money, it rarely lasts long enough to matter. This video explains why motivation is unreliable for building wealth and why depending on it leads to starting strong, then stopping. If you care about steady financial progress over years, not weeks, this matters. Saving, investing, and better decisions take time. Money does not reward emotional spikes. It rewards consistency. Motivation comes from emotion. It appears when you feel inspired, frustrated, or excited about change. Money works differently. Saving, investing, and budgeting are mechanical behaviors. They require repetition, not emotion. A common mistake is waiting to feel motivated before acting. That usually leads to inconsistent behavior. The long-term reframe is simple. Good financial systems work when you feel tired or distracted. With money, results are delayed. You can invest for months and see almost nothing change. Motivation expects fast feedback. When progress feels invisible, motivation disappears. This is where many people quit, not because the strategy failed, but because the timeline was misunderstood. A disciplined mindset accepts this delay. Compounding is quiet at first. That is normal, not a problem. Motivation encourages doing too much at once. Extreme saving, aggressive plans, unrealistic expectations. This often leads to burnout. Burnout leads to abandoning the plan completely. The long-term approach favors sustainability. Small actions repeated for years beat intense actions lasting weeks. Consistency beats intensity in every financial system. When people rely on motivation, they blame themselves when it fades. They assume they lack discipline or willpower. In reality, the system was weak. Strong financial progress comes from structure, automatic transfers, simple rules, fewer decisions. When the system does the work, motivation becomes optional. Here is the mindset shift that matters. Motivation is a feeling, wealth is a process. Feelings are unstable, processes are reliable. If a plan only works when you feel motivated, it is not real. A good system works on average days, not perfect ones. First, automate one financial action. Set a small monthly savings or investment transfer. Second, reduce decision-making. Create simple rules and stop monthly negotiations. These steps are boring. That's why they work. Wealth is not built through bursts of motivation. It is built through quiet repetition over time. For clear, long-term thinking about money, subscribe to Smart Money Theory. The channel focuses on systems, discipline, and sustainable wealth. Thanks for watching.